Hi, good evening. This is Manigandan from Singapore. So today I'm just going to cover about the Google Gemma 3 Impact Challenge. So having that we have like limited time to present for this, I'll cut off the things and straight away get into the app architecture. It's called Chop Chop Bus app. So Chop Chop means like Harry in Singapore. So it's like local English. So what it does. So there are traditional number of transit applications available in Singapore. Mostly are like tech savvy. They have like been like a lot of buttons, navigate, GPS based, and that's how people navigate and try to get the bus informations, right? Bus arrival times. But the problem is like Singapore has more than 60%. There are a lot of people who are like above 60 and 65 age. So we have a lot of seniors. So the more important thing is inclusivity, right? So this app tries to address that basically. And Singapore has more than 5,000 plus bus stops. So what our app does is basically we have an Gemma 3 model on device hosted on that app, the device, and we use MediaPipe LLM inference to infer this Gemma 3 model, right? So that everything is in edge, and then we don't need an external hosted AI. And the more important is like we are trying to leverage the image processing capability of it. So what our app does is like we have created an clever prompt engineering, so which will guide the LLM, in our case the Gemma 3, to create a structured output, and that will basically contain the bus stop code extracted from the snapshot of the bus board that someone has taken it. Then we do a tool calling, and using the bus stop code we call the live actual API provided by Singapore data, government data. So where we will get the live bus for the next few minutes, what's going to come in, right? So that's the whole crux of this project. So with this as a short, let's get into the demo directly. Yeah, and yeah. So hope you can see. I'm just going to move this here. It's the actual live app which is running in my Android. So this is a Samsung S21 Ultra. It's a pretty old phone, sorry for that. And it has a basic GPU, but still it does a decent job around it. So the model and the inference is running inside purely within this, right? I'm just going to demo. So whatever we do here, it's like you will be able to see that in the screen. Hey, I'm in Singapore, one of the bus stops. So this is called Admiralty Drive, and this is the bus stop number. Okay, so let's try out a live demo. I'm going to click this, and then yep. So we are taking the bus board snapshot. All right, and then yep. Now you could see, right? So by the time I was talking, it's been done, and you could see the real next bus timings for this, which is 12 minutes, 26 and 40 minutes for this. So let's do the voice demo. So all they do is just talk to it, right? So hey, get me the bus info for the block 405 in Shambhavam. All right, so that's a real address and that's a real bus stop. What we do here is like the model basically interprets that, and then it looks for the static data also, which I have got from the government static data, and stored it at a small part of it as and providing that as a context to the Gemma 3, so that it naturally interprets that based on the landmark and extracts the bus code from it, and then it calls the API to get this information. Type is straightforward. You just have to type and chat. Probably I'm going to do that now. So hopefully you should be able to see. It's going to take time because of course mine is a pretty old one, and then it takes usually like 8 to 10 seconds. That's still fine. Probably with proper threading and fine more tunings for productions, I think should be much faster. You could see like how this entire thing has become easy, right? I think with this I will end the demo. Thank you.